Hi, we are a group of students from University Malaya and this is Aero Command. Flooding has become one of the most frequent and devastating natural disasters in Malaysia, with nearly 9% of Malaysia's land being flood prone, affecting approximately 4.9 million people every year and causing an estimated 1.27 billion ringgit in annual economic losses. During major floods, victims are often stranded in isolated areas where rescue teams face hazardous water conditions, poor visibility, and limited accessibility. As a result, locating victims and delivering life-saving emergency supplies can be significantly delayed. These challenges highlight a need for a faster, safer, and more intelligent approach to flood rescue operations. To address these challenges, we developed Aero Command, an AI-powered flood rescue platform that combines two key innovations: an autonomous payload delivery mechanism and an intelligent AI system for real-time victim detection, GPS geolocation, and rescue coordination. Now, let us introduce the ins and outs of our payload mechanism. First, our custom-made package box is capable of storing up to 8 emergency items, including life jackets, communication devices, food supplies, and medical kits. We also incorporated a dual-axis camera gimbal, allowing the camera to track and detect victims from multiple viewing angles. For the payload release mechanism, we utilize a rack and pinion system. When the gear rotates, the hatch slides open, allowing the payload to be released smoothly from the box. Our drone-agnostic attachment bracket enables seamless integration with virtually any UAV platform through only minor hardware modifications, making Aero Command highly adaptable and scalable. Overall, the payload mechanism combines compactness, modularity, and reliable payload deployment into a practical system designed specifically for flood rescue operations. Our next innovation is our AI-powered aerial rescue system. This system consists of 3 core innovations, which are real-time YOLO V8 victim detection, DBSCAN-based victim clustering, and GPS coordinate estimation. The drone captures aerial footage and our YOLO V8 model automatically detects victims in real time. These detections are then processed using the DBSCAN clustering algorithm to group nearby victims and prioritize rescue targets based on group density. Using drone telemetry, camera geometry, and altitude data, the system converts image detections into real-world GPS coordinates and automatically generates mission-ready waypoints for autonomous drone navigation. To validate the system, we conducted 3 real-world flight tests, and AI successfully generated 11 mission waypoints with a 100% success rate. By integrating AI detection, victim localization, autonomous navigation, and payload delivery into a single workflow, Aero Command transforms aerial intelligence into actionable rescue operations.